I'm Dan, this is Aggressive Overland, and I am about to go on a little hike here in the snow. It's early November, I think it's like the 10th. Look at the snow, we got some shite going on here. We're gonna go see what we can see. I'm right by Queenston. I don't know what time it is. It's like 6 or 7, but I'm gonna cut through the golf course. I can't remember where I used to come through. It's definitely a good day to wear my rubber boots for sure. The best boots. Good quality rubber boots, man. Where am I going? I don't remember there being a fence here. There must have been, but all right, I found the end of the fence here where I went in last time. I just came from a different angle, so it messed me up, but this is where I'm gonna go, right up here. Right up here. I'm gonna see what I can see here. I better bust out the camera soon. Tons of deer here. Tons. Okay, I gotta be quiet now. Quiet. Hopefully it doesn't fog up, because right now I tried to like climatize the lens to out here by letting the bag sit outside for a minute, but I'll still probably get some kind of foggy thing going on with the lens. It seems to be working. Pretty good, no fog. Climatize your lens. I don't see any sign of a deer. There should be a bunch down this way though. Leaves and berries for the birdies still. I don't know if they eat this one, but that's pretty cool. Bug right here. I've seen it before, this one. Holy shit, he's huge. I gotta take a picture. He's like right on the other side of the fence. I can just see him. He might see me though, because he stopped. There he is. Oh man, he's big. Yeah, he sees me. That's a big deer, man. That's a cool deer. But his friend, he always comes. I've seen this guy. He comes like, oh, he's going. Oh, he's going again. Totally. These guys can see you anywhere. You think you're hiding, but you're not. Got big antlers, like. Yeah, but he comes every time. He comes and he goes across that fence line and he'll go on the other side because he's stuck on the other side in the power plant. He's going in the trees now. He is like 150 meters away, maybe 100. All right, I'm gonna keep going this way now. See what we can see. Okay, so that guy's back that way behind me, not far. And he's coming around. That big buck. He's a buck. The golf course right there, and then gotta go up here. This is where I see him a lot too. Oh, there's deer right there. There's deer right there. See it? Oh, dude, he's right out in the open. That was Little Buck. I think I took a picture of him once before. He's kind of, let me get really close before. There he is. Here he is. He's right there. He's coming my way. He's right there coming my way. I can hear him. He's just moving around a bit. He's right over here on this side. He came around here and he went up. And I saw him here. I thought he was going to come through this. And that would have been awesome because then I was waiting right there. And I would have taken pictures of him. But now it's like I got to walk through all this thick shit to get over there to look down because I know he's that way now. I don't see him. Right here, there's a little trail where that one went through, maybe. See? It goes like that. That goes to the hydro station. Right down here is where I see a big buck. So close to that guy. Like he just came up through here. And I was in there, like, waiting. If he would have came up straight through there, all would have been perfect. Like, he didn't see me, he smelled me. Man, I want to get the new GoPro, but, like, it's got all new batteries, too, which are good and bad. I got to buy new batteries, and that sucks, but, I mean, the battery's supposed to be better. I want the 13, the GoPro 13. It's a wide lens, maybe I'll get that, but it's like expensive, man. Not for cameras though, it's not. It's cheap. When it comes to cameras, it's like $700, $800 something. This battery's about to die, I gotta change it. Yeah, it's a squirrel. I'm gonna go over here now. Let's see. We can see. That's really cool. Man, I want to go up to Moosonee again. Or I want to go further north when I get to Ice Road. I'm going to go further north. Oh, this is going to suck. Ugh. These bushes suck. They just grab your spines. Oh, there's fresh deer prints here, yeah. There's tons of, what's that? That's deer as well. Okay. Very cool. Oh yeah, look at these. I think they're going the other way. Maybe not. Gotta be quiet. We gotta be quiet. We're just scared by the fucking animals. You freaking. You get scared by the freaking animals. Just what you gotta do. You gotta be quiet. She's trying to get on my animal. I know this spot. Oh, my hands. There's ice on my freaking camera. I'll walk right through the golf course. I used to go walk here with my dad a lot. He likes this. He liked this area. That's really neat. Hilda fell in this swamp one time when she was really young. She fell in on that bridge over there. When she fell in, it was summertime And she got covered. She thought, like, she must have thought it was all solid because it was lots of little duckweed or lily pads, whatever, all over it. She must have thought it was solid, so she stepped in. As soon as she stepped in, she just sunk like a stone to the bottom. She jumped up, went, oh, oh, and she freaked out, covered in mud, and then flies started chasing her. Hilda has never been the same because now she hates flies, she hates water. Okay, time to head back. It's nice to not be in the snow. You know, man, that thing's never been in. Oh my god. Oh no. My key isn't working. My key isn't working. Oh no. Man, the electronics, I'm telling you. I told you that I told you. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Everything's just getting too wet or something. Oh man. Like I have a key on here, I guess. Okay, let's try the door. Oh my god, why did I do that? This shit. I didn't even get this key wet. Oh,